Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today, we are going to continue lesson number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Let's start. Today, we are going to learn mixed word problems based on multiplication and division. After that, we are going to make the best story problems. More with multiplication and division. A tank is full of 300 liters of water. How much water will be filled in 25 tanks? If 15 buckets can be filled with one tank of water, how many buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks? Children, here two questions are asked. So we have to answer both the questions. Answer, it is given that in one tank 300 liters of water is present. Then in 25 tanks, how much water can be filled? Using cross multiply and divide. We multiply 300 with 25 and then divide by 1. So 325 are, put these two zeros down, 25 threes are is 75. So 7,500 liters of water can be filled in 25 tanks. It is given that from one tank 15 buckets of water can be filled. Then from 25 tanks, how much buckets of water can be filled? Using cross multiply and divide, we multiply 25 with 15 and then divide by 1. So 25 multiplied by 15. So 15 5s are is 75, put 5 down, 7 carry, 15 2s is 30 plus 7 is 37. So 375 buckets can be filled with water in 25 tanks. Next question. There are 28 laddus in 1 kg. How many laddus will be there in 12 kg? Answer, it is given that 1 kg 28 laddus are there. So in 12 kgs, how many laddus will be there? Using cross multiply and divide, multiply 28 with 12. So 12 8s are is 96, put 6 down, 9 carry. 12 2s are is 24 plus 9 is 33. So 336 laddus will be there in 12 kg. Now continuing the question, if 16 laddus can be packed in one box, how many boxes are needed to pack all these laddus? So children, it is given that in one box 16 laddus can be packed. Then how many boxes are needed to pack 336 laddus? Using cross multiply and divide, we multiply 336 with 1 and then divide by 16. So 336 ones are is 336. Then divide by 16. So first consider the first digit 3. 3 is less than 16. So consider second digit also. So the number becomes 33. Now 16 twos are is 32. Find the difference. 3 minus 2 is 1. Put the 6 down. Then 16 ones are is 16 and the difference is 0. So the answer is 21 boxes are needed to pack all these 336 laddus. Next question. There are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. If each plant needs 2 cups of water, how much water do we need for all the plants? So answer, it is already given that one room contains 4 plants. Then 26 rooms will contain how many plants? Using cross multiply and divide, we multiply 26 with 4. 6 fours are is 24, put 4 down, carry 2, 4 twos are 8, plus 2 is 10. So 104 plants will be there in 26 rooms in the school. Now it is also given that one plant needs 2 cups of water. Then 104 plants will need how much cups of water? Again using cross multiply and divide, we multiply 104 with 2. 4 twos are is 8, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 ones are is 2. So 208 cups of water are needed for all this 104 plants. Make the best story problem. Now each line gives you a story. You have to choose the question which matches the best story problem. First one, a shopkeeper has 50 boxes. There are 48 fruits in one box. Now tick the one question which matches with the given problem. 3 options are given, A, B and C. Option A, how much will the shopkeeper pay in all? B, how many fruits are there in all? And C, how many more boxes will be needed? So we have to find the correct answer out of these 3 options. It is given that one box has 48 fruits. Then in 50 boxes, how much fruits will be there? Option B matches the best. So answer is option B. Second question, 352 children from a school went on a camping trip. Each tent had a group of 4 children. So option A, how many children did each tent have? B, how many tents do they need? And C is how many children in all are in the school. It is given then in one tenth 4 children are there. Then in how many tents 352 children will be there? Option B matches the best. So the correct answer is option B. So put a tick mark there. Third question, a shopkeeper has 204 mangoes. He puts them in boxes. Each box has 12 mangoes. Option A, how many mangoes will he need? B, how many dozen mangoes does he sell? And C is how many boxes does he need? Now it is given that one box contains 12 mangoes. So how many boxes will contain 204 mangoes? So option C, that is how many boxes does he need, matches the best. So answer is option C. Put a tick mark. Fourth question, the cost of one book is rupees 47. Sonu buys 23 such books. So option A, how much money does she have? Option B, How much money does she pay for the books? And option C, what is the cost of 47 books? Now it is given that cost of one book is rupees 47, then cost of 23 books will be how much? So option B, how much money does she pay for the books, matches the best. So answer is option B. So put a tick mark on B option. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.